Hello and welcome to number 38 Kingfisher Drive here in Woodley. I'm going to give you a tour today. First of all, I'd like to start just by showing you the location of this three-bedroomed terraced house. We have a pathway at the front here that just takes you to Kingfisher Drive. Turn left at the end and that takes you to the park and to the lake. So just a sort of quiet, traffic-free location at the front here. And but worth mentioning that the parking and garage is actually at the rear of the house. The garage is actually on the plot, so it's within the rear garden. It's not one of those that has a garage in a block, so it's a really good example of one of these three-bedroom terraced here in South Lake. This particular house, it's fair to say, showroom condition. It's really lovely. It's probably one of the nicest three-bedroom terrace that you'll currently see on the market. So let's just take you along the front path here, just showing you the front garden as we go in and through the front door. So this property is vacant, it's empty, so that would tell you no onward chain, of course. I'm just going to step forward for a second and turn round because the entrance hall, there's the front door that we've just come through. Quite a nice wood effect flooring there, you can see it's a laminate flooring. Big cupboard here, so this is kind of like a cloaks cupboard. Really big cupboard, as you can see. Storage, always quite an important thing that people look at. In the hallway here, we've got the stairs taking you to the first floor. You will notice as we walk round, the floorings are really nice. Carpets upstairs look virtually new. You can see we've got this laminate flooring here. So let's focus on the lounge. That's where we are. There's the front aspect window. UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows. It's got gas central heating as well. So the lounge area, you can see we've got a focal point there of a fireplace. That's the dining area, just towards the end there. So good sized lounge area. Radiator, as you can see. There's an understairs storage cupboard. I'm going to show you this one as well again because it's got shelving, fitted light, and also really good size. Again, storage, excellent in this property. So let me step back and then just focus on the dining area. There's the dining area there. The decoration on this property, nice and neutral, but immaculate. Really, really smart. So, radiator at the end, and this door takes you through into the conservatory. Now this is quite a good sized conservatory, it's pretty much another lounge to be fair. UPVC double glazed, and also you can see we've got a pitched roof, so this is what we call a Victorian style conservatory. We've got double doors ahead of me there, opening into the garden, but also double doors there onto the side piece of patio there. Let's just spin round. There's a radiator there in the conservatory. It's a tiled floor, ceramic tiled floor. Okay, so back into the lounge diner and through, let's show you the kitchen. Lots of units in the kitchen. Quite a good sized kitchen actually as well. We've got full length work surface on one side with appliance space, as you can see, eye level units above, and then on the other side similar, but on this side we've got the built-in oven and hob, gas hob, extractor hood above, so that is ducted outside, more eye level units, gas-fired boiler to the right of the rear door, and more appliance space either side of the sink. Again, ceramic tiled floor, as you can see, and the door takes you through into the rear garden. I'll show you the garden at the end of the tour. Okay, so let's make our way upstairs and we'll show you the bedrooms, 3 bedrooms and a nice modern bathroom. Location-wise here, very close to, well, pretty much everything. Walking distance to shops. We've got buses just around the corner, schools, access to the A329M, probably 5 minutes drive away. And Woodley Centre, I think on a nice day, that's within walking distance for most people. On the landing, this cupboard here, this is the airing cupboard. And then let's just show you 3 doors into the 3 bedrooms. The bathroom door is behind me. Let's show you the front room here. This is, I think, would be the main bedroom. Bedrooms 1 and 2 are similar size, just a slightly different shape. I think most people would probably use this as the main bedroom, but the other one maybe. Again, UPVC double glazed sealed unit window, radiator underneath the window there. As you can see, nice carpeting. This carpet certainly looks very new to me, and again, immaculate decor. PowerPoints, I know it sounds strange, we don't often mention PowerPoints, but you know, we've got lots of PowerPoints in this property. 3 doubles, and if I spin round, there's even a 7th one there. 7 PowerPoints in the main bedroom. Let's look at the second bedroom. Very square room, this room. Nice big window. Radiator underneath. Again, on a quick scan, we've got 6 PowerPoints here. I am going to do something slightly different. I'm going to give you a good idea of the view that we've got out the back, because if I've opened the window, you can see literally across the park there, the trees. Behind the trees is a wood, and further on, that takes you to the lake. So really nice. As you can see, looking downwards here, these properties, they all have their garages at the rear. This is the garage for this property. You can see the green shed there as well. Parking immediately behind. And that's just the top there of the conservatory roof. Okay, second bedroom done. Let's move on to the third bedroom. Now let me just push this door up. This is a wardrobe or cupboard door. Let me just close that. So here we have the third bedroom. Same carpet throughout, which is quite nice. It flows through. Front aspect window. Plenty of space there for a single bed. Reasonable sized third bedroom, this one. And again, let me just open this door now to show you another very big wardrobe cupboard. Very deep actually, that one. Quick look out the front, just to give you an idea. Quite pleasant. And now spinning round across the landing, let's show you the bathroom. White suite with a low level WC. There's the pedestal wash basin. It's got a sort of mirror splashback there, as you can see. I'm just going to step into the room. There's the panelled bath, full tile surround, and I'm just going to spin around because we've got a built-in shower there. Now that's actually a power shower. There is a power unit in the airing cupboard, so that should really be a good shower. And again, the rear aspect window. And if I just step back, some of you might have spotted it, but on the left-hand side we've got a heated towel rail as well. So that's the bathroom, the 3 bedrooms. Let's make our way downstairs now, and I can show you the garage and also the shed, as well as the garden, of course. The garden is south facing, so it's certainly going to be a nice sunny garden when the sun's out. Fencing, one of the first things I spotted, concrete posts here, as you can see on the left, on the right, on the left as well. There you go. There's the garage, that's the rear of the garage. You can see the gate leading to the parking at the back and the shed. Let's just walk down the end and I'll turn around and show you the back of the property. This gives you a good view of the conservatory on the back. UPVC, gutters, soffits. Certainly a low maintenance property, I would say, as well. Okay, so that is the property. Let's just finish the tour by, firstly, behind me, here's the shed. As you can see, it's a good size. Nice clean shed as well. We don't see many of those. And then the garage. This is the door that takes you into the garage. There's the front door there. And this has power. Just going to go upwards, and you can see we've got fluorescent strip lights there. And just spinning round, a workbench across the back. Always useful. So that's the garage. That just about concludes the tour of 38 Kingfisher Drive. Just remains for me to say thank you to everybody for watching. Hope to hear from everybody.